Get excited about the 2011 Hyundai Tucson. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 150 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Hyundai infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a trip computer, and a split-folding rear seat. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Hyundai also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Come on in and take a test drive.